Alright guys, so here is what we are working with. My stomach is pretty flat here. I don't have like ab lines, but I have like a V line starting to pop out. That's what I'm looking like. Yeah, that is my current physique. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating, and last but not least, I gotta get coffee. You know why? Because this dang dog of mine had me up like in the middle of the night. And oh, does anyone have like dog problems where your puppy just decides that you let them go all day, but they need to go out in the middle of the night? So I picked up some new coffee and I wanted to show you guys. So I've been using my Keurig and I have this big variety pack and I'm a little scared, guys, I'm gonna be honest. So it's 96 K-cups, which is cheap because it was 96 K-cups for $30. And I got this from the Christmas tree shops. I just hope I actually like it, but I thought it was a really good deal. I'm gonna try the morning blend and see how I like it. So check this out. I have a nice big box of all different kinds. Ooh, I am looking for the morning blend. Alright, so next step, this is like legit ritual at this point, was I just added collagen peptides. And boom. So the last piece is I cut my coffee with hot water because I just don't like that super bitter taste. This just makes it taste better to me. And I'll let you guys know if I like this coffee or not. In the meantime, I'm about to get some cardio in. I have 2 video meetings this morning, bunch of client calls. I have my VIP coaching call tonight. So after my cardio, my butt hurts from my home booty workout that I was doing yesterday. If you guys want to check out that home booty workout, you can find it here. I will be showing you guys more of my workouts in other videos, but I wanted to show you guys more focus on the food. But after I get my workout in and my meetings, I'm gonna obviously eat my breakfast and I gotta get to the grocery store for another food prep. So I'm gonna take you guys to the store with me, show you guys what I pick. And this time, I typically kind of do this like prep as I go type of a thing throughout the day because I'm working from home. But instead today, I'm gonna like legit go like old school and just like have the stuff prepped and ready to go because I'm trying to like focus in a little bit more on my goals. I have a lot going on the next couple days, so I just want to have the food just ready and prepped, and I don't even want to like... Coffee's all right. Actually, I might see if I could return it. It's kind of I kind of just wish I got the stuff I had last time. So anyway, that's what's going on. Let me get this cardio done. I'm now like on my little home cardio theater. I have this like little screen back here. I have like a collection of movies and Us Weeklies that just keep me occupied. I do listen to YouTube, and like music videos actually really motivate me. So I'm gonna get it done. Hey, what's up guys? So I just finished my workout and I wanted to have a little heart-to-heart chat with you guys. So I shared this post on Instagram last night. You can see it right here. I have fallen off track. I've completely fallen off track. When I say completely fallen off track, it doesn't mean I'm like sitting around eating potato chips. It means I just stopped prioritizing my nutrition. And it was so embarrassing and shameful for me to admit that because I put so much pressure on myself to be a leader, to be an example to you guys, to, you know, be someone you want to look up to someone you want to look like, someone who you guys trust. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to keep it real. I'm just going to, you know, share what's been going on with me. So about 4 or 5 weeks ago, I just caught myself extremely frustrated. I caught myself just full of anxiety, very drained, very high strung, just pressure. Being the type of person I am, I just find myself wanting to work harder, take care of things, be strong, like handle it, figure it out. And the whole time I'm doing this through challenges with, you know, my business, with just all kinds of things happening outside of that, it just gets so overwhelming. And I feel like so many women, or people, doesn't have to be a woman, can relate to just putting all the pressure on you, not asking for help. And not even that they're not asking for help, it's not even that, because I do ask for help. It's just, you know. And then one day I woke up and I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like there's cellulite on my stomach. I'm like, Christine, you're supposed to be freaking Gauge girl. There's cellulite on your stomach. How the heck does this happen? And it's just like, you know how it happens? It's just like a little bit. And I kept telling myself, I'm too busy. And like, guys, I'm always working. Like, always working. And I tell myself I need to do this on the computer. I need to do this, or we're not going to make payroll, or we're not going to this, or we're not going to that. But then at the same time, it's like, I have to take care of myself. I got to do the same stuff I tell my clients. So guys, what I did was I just picked myself back up again. And I want you guys to know that you may need to do this countless times, and no one is immune to falling off track. Nobody is immune to it. It sucks when it happens. Guys, sometimes it's just fucking hard. Pardon my French, guys. It's just hard. And I recommitted myself to getting it together again. I recommitted myself to one foot in front of the other. Instead of, you know, putting myself in a shred, instead of doing that, I calculated myself at maintenance for like a body recomposition style plan. And you guys can see here in these photos, I'm very fortunate because I'm a mesomorph. My body responds quickly and I know what to do, guys. I know what to do. I'm a scientist. I'm a nutrition expert. I know what to do. It's just doing it. And sometimes even I fall off track. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm about 4-ish weeks in on my journey and I'm not going to fake perfection. This is something really big for me to just get off of my chest, because I'd rather just show you guys my flaws and show you guys my journey and how I battle through it, as opposed to just like being some unrealistic standard that makes you guys feel lost. I want you guys to feel connected. I want you guys to, like, you're not alone. I want you guys to know what's been working. So here's what's been working. I have been tracking my macros. Yes, I have been cooking at home more. I've been eating more protein, legit. I've been making sure I'm taking at least 1 to 2 collagen coffee or at least 1 protein shake post-workout. That's like 25, 40, 40. So that is at least 65 grams of protein I'm getting from supplementation alone, and the rest from real whole food. Boosted my protein, I've lowered my fat content, and I've increased my carbs. And you can see here that I'm on a roll. I finally got my shit together and I feel really good about it. And I just wanted to be really transparent about it. And I'm gonna show you guys my continued journey. Today's video is really just gonna focus on food, but I will show you guys how I'm working out in the future. I just finished cardio. I just wanted to get that off my chest. All right, guys, so I just heated up leftovers for breakfast. I am a savory breakfast person. I will do sweets once in a while, but it's not really my main twist. And I have my Filipino chicken adobo here. I have 4.5 ounces of the adobo. I have an ounce of spinach and 3/4 cups of cooked white rice. So I'm about to just get this in, drink my water, get on about my day. Hey, what's up, guys? So this day's getting really crazy busy for me. I'm about to have my first snack. I'm having a small apple, having a string cheese, and I really wanted to go to the grocery store. I'm actually going to do some online grocery shopping in a moment here. I'm gonna show you guys how that all works, because I cannot run out right now. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna have delivered to the house, and we're gonna time it, see how long it actually takes. So sometimes, guys, you gotta just adjust. So snack time, got stuff on the computer, I got meetings, and yeah, I gotta figure something out here. All right, guys, so I am about to have a snack here. I am trying to get some groceries ordered. So I am having some chocolate shake. I am having this toasted coconut, soy-free coconut almond milk blend. It tastes so good. That's Califia Farms. I'm having it with my chocolate Gauge Life. You guys, this stuff smells so incredibly clean and natural. And I'm just doing this right now for convenience. Like I said, I am trying to get these groceries ordered. I just have a crazy day today. I had 2 unexpected calls, so. All right, so my shake, nice and thick. My nice and thick and delicious. And if you guys want to check this out, you can check it out on gagelife.com. Alright guys, so I am getting 2 things done in here. I am doing my daily dose of CBD. I'm using My Soul CBD's Watermelon Mint. This has been helping me big time, and I've actually upped my dosage. I'm taking a total of 2 droppers a day. It's just really helping me stay calm. I wish you guys could smell how good this smells, because it smells incredible. And I'm also using my Weightless Tea by Traditional Medicinals. This is really good to help with temporary water weight gain, and I really enjoy it because it helps me manage my bloat. And I'm not like bloated per se right now, but I just want the relief. I really think it's cute that it has cute little sayings on the back of the thing, and this says, "Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished," by Lao Tzu. This just helps, like I said, mellow me out. I'm gonna finish my online grocery order and finish some meal prep. Alright guys, so I'm venturing into the world of online grocery shopping. So first things first, I'm using something called Instacart. I wanted to use the Amazon thing, but it's not available in my area, so Acme does it in my area. That I have grocery list. It says like that my next delivery can be within 2 hours. So I added the items I wanted. I'm gonna go to the checkout and get it set up, and then we will time them. So something that's cool, I'm not gonna sign up for the whole like premium thing yet, but if I get it within 2 hours or if I get it tonight, the cost is $3.99 for the delivery. I'm gonna test them out and try the 2-hour delivery and see how that goes. So I'm gonna select this $3.99 option. All right guys, so I just got this Instacart thing set. It is 2:56. They said they'd be here in 2 hours. So let's see how that goes. And in the meantime, I have a lot of stuff I gotta do on the computer, so gotta get to that. And we will meal prep later. I'll probably eat some more leftovers for my lunch because I hate meal prepping hungry. It just jacks up my whole day. Ooh, they just texted me confirmation. Ooh, and they told me that my order will be here between 4 and 5 p.m. So that should be cool, but we'll legit meal prep when the stuff comes in. I ordered some salmon. I'm gonna make a chimichurri salmon. I got some ground beef. I got some chicken thighs. I have some ideas for what I'm gonna do for those too, but I'm gonna do like a legit big ass meal prep because I am not in the mood to be cooking the next couple days because I have so much computer work to do. So that's the game plan. Holy crap, you guys. My groceries got here in 45 minutes. Literally 45 minutes. I am just blown away. What kind of service is that? I didn't have to go anywhere. Worth every penny. So I'm going to unpack this stuff. I'm gonna eat first and then I'm gonna like get to this because I'm hungry and I hate meal prepping when I'm hungry. Real quick, you can say hi to my vlog. Say, hey, what's up, YouTube? I've been doing a full day of eating video. So guys, this is my VIP group. We're about to get our conversation on, so I'll see you guys later.
3 days this week. My goal is 5. Well, 2 days at the gym, 1 day at home.
All right, guys, so it's time to meal prep with my groceries that were just delivered. I'm going to be making some meatballs. I'm going to be prepping some salmon, and I'm going to be meal prepping some chicken thighs. So I'm going to be multitasking here. So I wanted to make a chimichurri salmon, but they did not have cilantro, so I am going to just keep it simple and use the spices that I already have. I have this beautiful piece of salmon that you guys can see here. You guys know I'm a huge salmon fan. Let me just spray this. I'm out of spray. So I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil on the bottom. And I'm not gonna count those macros just because I'm not gonna eat the skin. It's just so I can have this not stick. And I'm using this truffle oil too, you guys. It's amazing. So I'm gonna get some seasonings here. I'm gonna be using some. Today I'm gonna be a little fancy and I'm gonna use my Trader Joe's coffee garlic barbecue. This just tastes good on everything, in my opinion. So I have the oven set at 350 wrap it up. Next thing I'm gonna do with this ground meat is I'm gonna make a bunch of meatballs. So I'm gonna chop up all the extra ingredients that I'm gonna add to this, whip these up. All right, guys, so I had leftover meatballs and I put this in a sunken dish right now. What I'm going to do is I am going to freeze these. I'm just gonna put them in there like this, just enough so that the raw meat gets frozen enough. And then I'm going to take these and put them in a Ziploc baggie so that I could use them later in the week and cook them. But I made myself some homemade meatballs from scratch, which always taste amazing. I'm gonna save the rest of this. This is the second batch. I have one batch in the oven. This batch is gonna go in the freezer. So I'm gonna show you my freezing method here in a moment. All right, so I just had this salmon in the oven like this. I had it sealed for about 30 minutes. So now I'm going to put it in there and set it to broil for about 3 to 5 minutes, watching it very closely. So here is a meal that I'm eating. This is actually 4 ounces of salmon. This is 3/4 cups of cooked white rice, and this is 1 cup of cooked spinach. I used some soy sauce on it. I'm gonna take the salmon and prep it out and put the rest of my meals with some cooked white rice. I'm gonna set the meatballs aside and take the frozen meatballs and put them in a container. Here are my delicious, amazing meatballs. These smell incredible. I'm gonna pour off all of these juices, you guys, but I'm going to just put these in a big container like this for later and pull them off as I need them throughout the day, throughout the week. All right, guys, so here are the meatballs. I'm gonna pull off of these as I need them. I portioned out the salmon with my rice, and I'm gonna add the veggies last to these because I like my veggies to be fresh. So I have a bunch of containers here. I am eating 4.5 ounces of salmon, and my rice portion for some of my meals, it's 6 ounces. For other meals, it's 4 ounces. So it's based off of the way my meal plan is written. So I'm gonna add the veggies fresh when it's time to eat them. One last thing I wanna show you guys. So these meatballs I just put in the freezer and they're starting to get hard. And what I did was I have a Ziploc baggie that I wrote on with the date. These are Italian meatballs. I'm gonna save these so for when I run out of meatballs, I'll have fresh meatballs to make. And I'm going, see how like, I had to make sure that they were like not mushy first. So I had these in the freezer for about half an hour, just out. And now I'm putting them in the Ziploc baggie so that way I can have them when I need to. So if you have more time on weekends, you guys, seriously, have a meatball party, no joke. Grab your kids and then you have them and then you can just pop them in the oven when you're ready. And there is nothing like homemade meatballs. So good. Now I'm going to put these in the freezer. I have today's date on there and, you know, set and ready to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this full day of eating. If you need help with a customized meal plan, check out GageGirlTraining.com. Peace out. Have a good day.